Hey guys, Eric here from Expedition Electric, and today we're talking about this folding bike, which is the Swagtron Swagcycle EB-5. This bike weighs 37 pounds and has a 250 watt motor. The lithium ion battery is 36 volt, 7.8 amp hours. This bike has a surprisingly sturdy frame, and as you can see here, it can be put together in a matter of seconds. So let's go for a ride and check it out. As you can see here, we're testing out this e-bike in a flat paved park because this is where this e-bike excels. Take a look at the back wheel here. You've got the 250 watt motor and then a single chain ring, which makes it practical to pedal up to about 7 miles an hour or so. After that, it gets a little difficult. And this is where the rechargeable 36 volt battery is stored. This electric bike has a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, which feels pretty fast when you're going on it. The tires are 14 inches, which is standard for this size folding e-bike, which is ideal for campus or city commuting. Okay, you got the handlebars with the V brakes and a thumb bell, and then the controller on the right side with the hand twist throttle. Here's a look at the display, which is just a simple battery light indicator. This bike is equipped with a front and rear reflector. I noticed that when the battery was fully charged, both the pedal assist and the throttle were a little jumpy at lower speeds, but still provided some pretty good power, surprising power for its size. The V brakes provide adequate stopping power even when traveling at the top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. This lower price folding e-bike had a smoother, quieter, and quicker ride than I had originally anticipated. Some of the things you may find in the next higher price point of folding e-bikes would be maybe front and rear lights, a rear rack, fenders, and a longer battery range. But other than that, this bike definitely had the performance, like I said, better than expected for a folding e-bike. And here we ran into a bit of cloudiness and rain, so took it through a bit of rain here up this small elevation change, and it handled fine, you know, so I don't live near too many hills, so you can let me know how it handles on the hills for you, but definitely noticed the lack of rear fenders here as I was getting wet from the tire splashing water up on me, but it handled still pretty well in these conditions. Wanted to show you how compact this thing was. It can easily fit in the back of a car or SUV, and to fold it up, you just put the seat and handlebars down. It folds right in half here, and then the handlebars have one more option to put down even further, lift it up, store in the back of your car. All right guys, hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and have a great day.